Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with a short story named Old Man at the Bridge, which is written by Ernest Hemingway. This story is for class 9th and 10th students. So, The Old Man at the Bridge by Ernest Hemingway. This story is in the form of conversation between a soldier and an old man. The writer takes the ordinary detail and transforms it into a powerful story about the tragedy of war. The old man in the story becomes a symbol of countless civilians who perish in war. As I have already informed you that this story is written by Ernest Miller Hemingway, so first of all I would like to tell you a few facts about the author. Ernest Miller Hemingway was an American journalist, novelist, short story writer and a sportsman. He published 7 novels, 6 short stories collection and 2 non-fiction works. He has won the Nobel Prize. He is seen as one of the great American of 20th century novelists and is known for works like A Farewell to Arms and The Old Man and the Sea. So, the plot of the story, that is the base of the story. The story Old Man at the Bridge by Ernest Hemingway is set in the backdrop of Spanish Civil War in 1938. It starts with the description of an old man who was sitting at a bridge. It was a war-like situation as the fascist forces were advancing towards Ebro. Ebro is the name of a river on which that bridge was situated. Our narrator, who is a soldier or you can say a war correspondent, who was in the charge to cross a pontoon bridge to check the advancement of the enemy forces. Means he was there on the pontoon bridge. Pontoon bridge is a bridge which is a temporary bridge which is created by putting some hollow containers which are only filled with air. So he was there to check that how far the enemies has advanced. He saw that an old man was sitting beside the road at the bridge, while carts, trucks and people were crossing the bridge to get to a safe distance from the live enemies. The old man looked too tired to walk any further. Seeing the old man sitting there for a long time, the speaker went to him and asked him several questions. This story demonstrates the power of narrative art. Author takes a small and ordinary detail in a situation and through the art of storytelling transform it into a powerful story about the tragedy of war. The old man becomes a symbol of the countless civilian victims of war, those without politics, displaced, disoriented and alone. He is faced with inevitability of death. In this story, we have only 2 characters. The first one is the old man who is 76 years old, healthy and physically fit. He is supposed to leave his hometown due to the Spanish Civil War. He has no family but loves his animals and worried about the safety of the animals during war. He has not worried about his own safety. He was a fatalist. He is obsessed with the thought of his animals' safety. He is a victim of the war. He reconciles himself with his impending death. The other important character of the story is the narrator, who is a scout and a dutiful soldier. He engages himself in conversation with the old man during the war. He advises the old man to leave that bridge. But he feels pity to the old man, expresses his helplessness to do anything about the old man. He bemoans the old man's impending death. As I have already told you about the old man, he is the protagonist of the story. He is physically fit and agile. During the Spanish Civil War, he has to walk 12 kilometers from his hometown to the bridge. He has to leave his place because a captain told him to leave the town because of the artillery fire during the Spanish Civil War. Artillery is heavy guns moved on wheels. He has no family, but he loves his animals. He has a charge of 2 goats, a cat, and the 4 pair of pigeons. He is forced to leave his farms and animals behind, but he is worried about the safety of his animals. During his conversation with the soldier at the bridge, he reveals that he is not worried about the safety of his own life because he is a fatalist, but he expresses a deep concern about the safety of his animals. He tells the soldier that he is not worried about the cat because he knows cats can look after themselves, but he is worried about the fate of the other animals. He cannot get rid of the thought about the safety of his animals. This thought makes him depressed and sad. Old man symbolizes the man and the women who have to leave their homes as victims of wars with which they have nothing to do. The old man is a victim of the war like goats because the goats, unlike the pigeons, cannot fly. He reconciles himself with his impending death. When the soldier asks him to catch a ride on the truck to Barcelona to save his life, he refuses to do so. The soldier takes pity on him and says there was nothing to do about him. Thus, he is worried more about the safety of his animals than his own safety. Now, about the narrator. The narrator, who comes in the contact with an old man at the bridge where people were crossing to flee from the Spanish Civil War. The soldier is a scout whose duty is to cross the bridge and find out how far the enemy has advanced. He engages himself in the conversation with the old man. During conversations, he comes to know that the old man is worried more about the safety of his animals, whom he has left behind in his hometown, than his own safety. The other hand, the narrator is worried about the safety of the old man. He tells the old man to take a ride on the truck to Barcelona and save himself, but he refuses to do so. The narrator feels sad about the inevitability of the old man's fate and feels pity for him, saying there was nothing to do about him. He bemoans the old man's impending death. The conversation reflects the old man's fatalism and the narrator's despair in subtle manner. So, the summary of the story. The short story Old Man at the Bridge by Ernest Hemingway wholly demonstrates the vicious repercussion of war on disinterested innocents. As we all know, nobody wants war. So this is a story which completely demonstrates that even the people are not interested, the innocent ones are also comes or faces the problems or the things which happened during the war. The short story, narrated by the nameless soldier, sensitively portrays the sorry plight of the refugees who are displaced by the war. The action takes place at a pontoon bridge near the Ebro Delta on an Easter Sunday during the Spanish Civil War. All the refugees of that area were crossing the bridge to protect themselves from the impending attack by the enemy troops. The young soldier who was on a mission to cross the bridge, and the soldier had scanned the region of any sign of the enemy troops. He noticed an old man still sitting on a pontoon bridge. The old man, who was 76-year-old, he was wearing black dusty clothes. His face was dusty grey. He was wearing steel-rimmed spectacles, which suggested that he was neither a shepherd nor a herdsman. He appeared weak and exhausted. As I have already told that he has walked up to 12 kilometers. So he was feeling exhausted. He appeared exhausted and weak. The soldier asked the old man where he came from. After watching the old man sitting at the bridge, the soldier went close to the old man and asked him several questions, in which the first question he asked was where he come from. To that the old man replied that I am from San Carlos, and he had already walked about 12 kilometers from his hometown. And when he explained about San Carlos, his face was smiling. He had a very good smile on his face, because that smile was the reason, because he was talking about the native town, and talking about a native town gave him pleasure. That is why when he mentioned that I am from San Carlos, he smiled. And then he told that I have already walked about 12 kilometers from the hometown, and now I am very tired and exhausted. Therefore, even after the soldier had advised him to flee, the old man did not move. When soldier saw that everybody is leaving San Carlos and nobody is there in that area now, as the captain of artillery has already told them to leave the place, because there the shot of guns are going to be started, so it may harm the lives of people. So the particular captain of that artillery has requested everyone to leave that area, and so did to this old person, and that was the only reason he has walked about 12 kilometers from the hometown. And that soldier also requested this old person to flee, but he was not able to move, because who is a young soldier, he advised the old man to cross the pontoon bridge to save himself from the impending assault of the advancing enemies. Although the old man got up and tried to move, he swayed and teetered, so he sat down in the dust, and he was too tired to move any further. He finally resigned himself to his fate and imminent doom. We, along with the soldier, arrive at the painful realization that old man will not be able to move on and will probably die at the bridge. The irony is that, like a goat which is sacrificed, the old man's fate is also sealed on an Easter Sunday, a day of hope and faith. Neither the old peasant nor the war is identified by the name in the story, for the idea of tragic sacrifices of uninvolved men in every war is universal. The old man epitomizes the victim of war, men, women and children who had to leave their home and their normal life as victims of a war, with which they have nothing to do. As I have already informed you that this story is based upon the symbols. Everything which is being used, like bridge, the animals, they represent something. So now I am going to tell you about the symbol analysis which is used in this story. First of all, you can see the bridge. The bridge word is used there, as the bridge represents the uncertainty and the dangers. In this story, as I have already informed you, that there is a particular bridge which is on the Ebro Delta river, which connects San Carlos to the another direction of Barcelona. So one side of that bridge, the San Carlos, where the death is there, and another side of that bridge, if that old person is able to cross, is the survival, the life. So here that bridge represents the uncertainty and the danger, that as that particular person, the old man, is sitting on at the bridge, it shows that if he is not able to cross that bridge, he would be died, and if he'll be able to cross that, he would be able to survive any further. So it represents the symbol of life and death. Now about the cat. Cat is also being used there, as amongst the beloved animals, the cat was also one. It symbolizes the innocent victims of the war. The cat, which can look out for itself, is the most resilient creature because it is autonomous and does not depend on others to survive. It is also a solitary animal and is an ugly conflict where people must fend for themselves. The cat represents someone who can stay alive but won't necessarily help others. Now, as that old person has the 4 pair of pigeons. So the flock of birds, first called pigeons by the old man and later called doves by the narrator, can escape from the unlocked cage, as that old person explained, no, that I have unlocked the cage so that they can fly from the artillery. The fact that the narrator refers to them as doves, which is the symbol of peace, after the old man spoke of them as pigeons, reveal his longing for the war to end, because pigeon or the doves both are the symbol of peace and they do not have any interest in war. They always spread the peace and the harmony amongst everyone. So the uncaged doves may appear to be a symbol of hope, but their fate is both certain or uncertain and irrelevant to the story's dark ending. So finally, the goat, which is the third animal which that old man was taking care of. So it is to be associated with the narrator himself, as they have no chance of surviving with nobody to care for them. Just as the old man himself will likely die without family or friends to help him escape. Likewise, just as the old man says that it is better not to think about the fate of the goats, the narrator comes to believe that it is better to move along and not think too much about the old man, because we all know that the goat is also known as a sacrificial animal. Whenever we want to do any kind of sacrifice or something, we always give an example of the goat. So here the Mango people, or the common people we can say, are considered as the goat, and to explain about the problems during war which the common people face, they have used a symbol of goat. Like the common people cannot save themselves from this war, same way the goats are like there. They are not even able to help them out, as they cannot save themselves from the happening of the war or even the devastation or the destruction which occurred during war they are supposed to face. Now the critical appreciation. The first thing in that is the conversational form, as the story is related through a conversation between a soldier and an old man who had to leave his hometown during the Spanish Civil War. The conversation takes place at the bridge, where the soldier is performing his duty. The story conveys the problems faced by the people as victims of war in the form of a dialogue. The conversation advances the story further and takes it to its logical conclusion. The theme of the story and the characteristic traits of the two characters, the old man and the soldier involved in the conversation are revealed through conversation. This story is written in the first person account. As in this story, the nameless soldier who is on duty to observe the advancing of the enemy. The soldier has captured the atmosphere of war and the helplessness of the people as victims of war in his conversation with the old man who was forced to leave his hometown and animals behind. He has explored the region and the situation by suggestive hints. The first person narrative helps the reader to identify with the scene of threat and helplessness. This story abounds in metaphors and symbols. One of the symbols is the bridge, which already I have explained that it represents the uncertainty and the dangers. Then comes the animals and the birds like the pigeon, which symbolizes the peace and harmony, and the fact that they fly away from the war. Maybe it you can consider as a reference to a refugee who can flee from the war to a safer place. The cat, which is used as a symbol of independence, like who does not need anybody to survive, but the goat is often used as sacrificial animal, and this probably represents the old man who reconciles himself with his impending death. The story is narrated in a conversational form, and the language which is used here is quite simple. But several simple words are symbolic in significance. The style is lucid and intelligible. The dialogue between the soldier and the old man takes the story forward. The simple conversation reveals the characteristic traits of the speaker and reflects the theme of the story. I hope I am able to create this story as you are able to understand in a proper manner now. So, thank you class, thank you students for listening this.